Are you looking to naturally repair and boost your kidney health? Your diet plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal kidney function. In this video, we'll introduce you to 7 powerful foods that can help repair your kidneys and improve their overall health. First on our list is brown seaweed. Did you know that brown seaweed is packed with essential nutrients that can promote kidney health? It contains a compound called fucoidan that has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, protecting them from damage. Incorporating brown seaweed into your diet can be as easy as adding it to soups, salads, or smoothies. Next up, we have apples. These crunchy fruits are packed with antioxidants and fiber, which can promote kidney health. Apples also contain a substance called quercetin, which has been shown to remove toxins from the body and reduce the risk of developing kidney stones. So, make sure to include a juicy apple in your daily diet. Now, let's talk about squash. This nutrient-rich vegetable is an excellent source of vitamins A and C, as well as magnesium. These nutrients help cleanse the kidneys and promote their natural repair. Moving on to cauliflower, a versatile vegetable that is a fantastic addition to your kidney-friendly diet. Cauliflower is low in potassium and phosphorus, 2 minerals that need to be regulated in kidney disease. It is also high in fiber and contains compounds that help flush out toxins from the body and dissolve kidney stones. Cauliflower also supports detoxification processes, keeping your kidneys healthy and functioning at their best. So, roast it, mash it, or make a delicious cauliflower rice. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and prevent kidney damage. It may also help improve kidney function by supporting the removal of waste products and toxins from the body. Lemons are rich in citric acid and vitamin C. They have incredible detoxifying properties that can aid in removing toxins and harmful substances from your kidneys. Drinking lemon water regularly can help dissolve kidney stones, prevent urinary tract infections, and stimulate proper kidney function. Lastly, we have berries. These colorful little gems are not only delicious, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Berries are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. They are also low in potassium, making them a great choice for those with kidney issues. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, adding a handful of berries to your diet can make a big difference. Incorporating these 7 powerful foods into your diet can work wonders for your kidney health and promote natural repair. Remember to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have pre-existing kidney conditions. Thank you for watching. For more informative content and tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care and be well.